I am Nisha teacher from Ashwini Vidyalaya. We have started with the chapter number 6, Science. In our GK book, we have studied many things. We have completed about quiz 1 general, in which we have studied about various animals and birds and other persons also who have invented something or who have researched on the some things, like Joseph Lister, who is the antiseptic uh, invention he has done. Now we have completed this and we are going to start with the quiz 2 Indian focuses. Herbs, fruits and vegetables have been used from ancient times to treat diseases. Yes, like when our body is been paining a lot, we drink टर्मरिक मिल्क यानी कि दूध में हम हल्दी डाल के पीते हैं. Given below are common fruit, vegetable and spices used at home. Match them with their medical equalities. Now see. 1. Bitter ground. D. Diabetes treatment. Mango. E. Cleans body of toxins. Fig. 3. B. Stop nasal bleeding due to excessive heat. यानी कि जो हमारे नाक में से ब्लीडिंग होती है ना कभी कभी, फिग खाने से बंद हो जाता है. कोकोनट. ए. ऑयल फॉर एब्यूडेंट हेयर ग्रोथ. कोकोनट में से ऑयल भी मिलता है और कोकोनट हमें पीना भी चाहिए. बनानास. 5. एफ. बॉडी बिल्डर्स ऑफ ग्रोइंग चिल्ड्रन. 6. आंवला मेक्स अवर स्ट्रॉन्ग हेयर. सी. Storehouse of vitamin C. Yes. Turmeric. J. Antiseptic protection against tropical germs. कुछ छील भी जाता है तभी हम हल्दी लगाते हैं ना. जिंजर. G. Cough, cold, nausea and constipation treatment. सर्दी होती है तो हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हम अदरक ही खाते हैं. कार्डेमम. 9. I. Detoxifies caffeine in coffee. Cinnamon. Bark and oil used for antiseptic. Cinnamon oil. बॉडी वेट लॉस के लिए भी ये काम आता है कभी कभी. Nice to know. The legendary Jivaka, royal physician of Buddha's time, was asked at the end of his 7-year study by the examiner to find plant around Taxilia which did not have a medical value. He searched in a specific area and come back empty-handed. Means सब चीज़ में कुछ ना कुछ है ही जो हमारे काम आ सके मेडिकल में. Which tree famous all over the world grows only in India? Sandalwood यानी कि चंदन का झाड़. This is very expensive and its smell is so wonderful and it has been growth in India only. Which bird has been seen since ancient time as an courier pigeon? Yes, through pass a message. The only ornithologist to win the Padma Vibhushanam, Dr. Salim Ali. What is the full form of ICAR and ICMR? ICAR is Indian Council of Agriculture Research and ICMR is the Indian Council of Medical Research. What is IIMS? Where it is? All in India Institute of Medical Science in New Delhi. Which is the smallest bird in India? Flower picker. What is Param 64 and ODEC supercomputer. What is Dhruva? Nuclear reactor. What is Maitri in the relation of Antarctic research? Indian Research Station. Which world famous fish is available in the huge quantities in Lakshadweep? टूना. टूना करके जो फिश है वो लक्षद्वीप में ज़्यादा पाई जाती है. विच इज़ द रेयरेस्ट एनिमल ऑफ इंडिया? वाइट टाइगर. विच 2 trees आर कंसिडर्ड स्कैर्ड इन इंडिया? बनियन ट्री और पीपल ट्री यानी कि वड का झाड़ और पीपल का झाड़. ये दोनों में हम ऐसा मानते हैं. आवर इंडियन माइथोलॉजी सेज देयर सम ब्लैक मैजिक एंड सम घोस्ट और भूत प्रेत वगैरह सब उसमें रहते हैं. इट इज़ बीन अ वेरी स्कैरी ट्री. A common plant fiber is used to weave a cloth worn by priests. Which plant is it? Banana. जो साधु बाबा लोग के लिए कपड़े बनते हैं वो उसमें से बनते हैं. डॉक्टर C.V. रमन एंड डॉक्टर S. चंद्रशेखर Nobel Prize in which branch of science? Physics. Which Indian scientist did original work in the wireless transmission? J.C. Bose. Trivia. The Orissa State Police will till date uses courier pigeons during natural calamities when there is a breakdown of communication. Yes, अभी भी उड़ीसा के अंदर ये जो हमारा पिजन का जो मैसेंजर है वो ही हम फॉलो करते हैं. Okay then kids, we will meet in our next lecture. Till that time, take care, bye, have a nice day, see you, stay home and stay safe, bye bye.